Hey guys, Frisian here. We got a 2014 Ford Escape 1.6 front wheel drive, and we had a transmission leak right from the middle section. Once we look in there, we saw that it's from the shaft seal going to the passenger side CV axle. Okay, there's one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. So the passenger side is the one that's leaking. For you to be able to remove it, what you want to do, take out this CV axle. You got the CV axle here, and then you got the inner shaft. Okay, to get there, remove the CV axle nut. Is a 32. You got a 8mm bolt that's holding on to the brake post, and you have a 15mm head bolt and a 18mm nut holding the lower ball joint. Okay, this is the lower ball joint. You need to put a chisel or a screwdriver for you to separate the knuckle that's holding on to the ball joint. Once you separate the knuckle a little bit, once the knuckle opens up just a little bit, then you're going to be able to smack the control arm downwards or hit the ball joint itself right on top, and then it should separate completely. Doing so, the whole knuckle is going to be free. Okay, the bracket that's holding the inner shaft, you got three 13mm nuts, 13mm bolts, sorry. And then after that, you can pull your shaft all the way or just leave it like so. Okay, once you're in here, you're gonna have your seal right here. Okay, the seal itself, the outer section is metal, so you need a chisel to bend the seal inward. Okay, once you do that, then you can just use your pry tool to take it out, or you just use the pry tool itself to hammer it, you know. Okay, or use an actual tool to remove seals, whichever is your choice. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So just clean your area, put your new seal back in there, and put your inner shaft and put everything back together. So yeah, we got the new seal in there. Remember, it's metal, so hammer all the sides evenly, okay, until it's completely flat all around, so you can have a good seal. Okay, so we're now going to go ahead and put our shaft back and put everything back together.